Hello everyone, welcome to Restaurant Rocks. What you see in my hand right now is a Rubik's Cube. It's a fun, exciting puzzle that will get your brain started. In this video, I'm going to show you how to solve a Rubik's Cube. So let's begin. Before we scramble our cube, let's learn a few basic moves and parts of our Rubik's Cube. There are three basic parts. This is the center. It has only one color. It is found on every face. This is the white center. Opposite to the white center is the yellow center. This is red center. Opposite to red comes orange. And this is blue, and opposite to blue comes green. Our next piece is the edge. The edge has two colors. For example, this is the blue and the white edge. This is red and blue edge. This is green and orange edge. And many more. Our third piece is the corner. The corner has three colors. For example, white, red, green corner. The red, blue and yellow corner. Now that we've seen the three basic parts of the cube, let's look at the moves we can do on a cube. Every move is in the clockwise direction. If we put a dash after the letter, then it is an anti-clockwise move. For example, this is the R move in the clockwise direction. But if we put a dash, we call it R prime, like shown above, and we do an anti-clockwise or a downward move. For L, it's the exact opposite of R. L in the clockwise direction is towards the bottom, and L prime is in the anti-clockwise direction, that is towards the top. Next is the F move. F is the front face. So F in clockwise direction is like this, and F in the anti-clockwise direction, or F prime, is like this. Then B. B is the exact opposite of F. B in the clockwise direction is going to be towards this side, and B in the other anti-clockwise direction of B prime is going to be like this. Next is the U move. The U move is the upper layer. U and U prime is going to be U towards the left and U prime towards the right. D is the exact opposite of U. D is towards the right and D prime is towards the left. Now we've learned all the basic moves of the cube also. So let's scramble and learn how to solve the cube layer wise. The first step to solving a cube is solving the white cross. To solve the white cross, we need to find all the white edges, and we have to align it with the centers. Now let's find an edge piece in the top layer. I found the red and the white edge piece. Let's match it with its respective center, the red center. I spin it, but I can see that the red face in the red center is not matching. So I move it away once, and then we can bring it down to flush it or match it with each other. Now the white center and the white face can be matched by bringing that also down. Let's find another edge piece. The next edge piece I'm taking is the white and the green edge piece. Match it with its color. Right now it's already flushed with the center, so we can spin it a 180 degree or spin it twice and get it to the white center. Now let's find the third edge piece. For the third edge piece, this is a special case. It is in the bottom layer. So I spin it twice and now it's in the top layer. Try matching it with the center, but it won't. So I bring the side down, match it with the center, and then spin it once more to match it with the white face. Now the final edge is between two of my centers. Don't worry about breaking your made cross as long as the colored faces are still flushed, which is the greens or the reds. Now you can bring this up, turn it, and it's outside. Now take it to its respective center. As it's not flushed, move it away once. Again, you don't need to worry about breaking the bottom. You can get it back later. So bring it down. Match it with the white face to make the cross. and then bring the green back up. Just like that, we're done with solving the white cross. Next, the white corners. Now we have to align the corners properly to finish the first layer. In the top layer, check if you have any corner piece with a white face on it. For example, I found this corner piece with white, red and green. Bring it to its spot, which is here between the white, green and the red centers, and learn 4 basic moves. That is up, side, down and back. Up, side, down, back. Up, side, down, back. Up, side, down, back. Up, side, down, back. These are the 4 basic moves we have to learn. In notation wise, it comes R, U, R prime, U prime. Do the same thing in the left side also. It goes like L prime, U prime, L, U. L prime, U prime, L, U. With these 4 basic moves, we can insert any corner into our white layer. So now let's again continue with the white, red and green. We can face the white towards our left and do it with our left hand, or we can do it with our right hand, but the right hand takes more moves, so let's do it with our left. So L prime, U prime, L, U, and you can see that it has matched in its right spot. Let's find another corner. I can see the white, red and the blue one. So let's bring it to its position, that is here, and now I need to insert this into this. So I can use the right side because I need the white facing the right. Then with the right hand motion, R, U, R prime, U. Next, I don't see any white corner on the top, and I can see that both my corners are inside the first layer itself. So I bring this out by doing the same 4 moves, R, U, R prime, U. And now I have gotten it in the top layer. Check where you want it. This is between the white, orange and the blue centers. I bring it on top of that. Next, I need the white facing away from me, which is towards the right side. So with the right hand, I move R, U, R prime, U prime. Now this is also aligned. Now the next edge piece, that is the white, green and the orange red piece. Insert it in the same way. Keep the white face towards the left or away from you. Now L prime, U prime, L and U. And we've gotten the corner inside. There's a special case which can occur inside the first layer. If the white is facing towards the top, we might have to repeat these 4 steps again and again. For example, now this is facing the top. Using the right side, I'm going to go R, U, R prime, U, R, U, R prime, U, R, U, R prime, U. And now we've gotten it inside. I had to do it 3 times. Now let's move on to the second layer. For the second layer, we have a few steps to memorize. There are 3 basic steps. First, let's find a edge piece which fits into the centers right here. So now I can see the blue and the red edge piece which needs to fit here. As the blue center and the blue face is already flushed, we don't need to move it anywhere. Now to insert it, we have 3 basic steps. First, we have to move this away from where we have to insert it. Move it away. Then bring this corner up because you need to align it with using the 4 basic moves which we already learned. R, U, R prime, U prime. Now using your left hand, that is this one, spin the cube and insert it normally. L prime, U prime, L, U. And now it is inside. Let's take another edge, the red and the green one. Now I need this red face to match with the red center, so I'll spin it once. Then repeating the same steps again, move it away, bring it up, then using the other hand, get it back in. Now another case where you need to put this into the left side. When you have to put it into the left side again, we do the same thing. First move it away, but this time we are doing the 4 moves first with the left hand. So L prime, U prime, L, U. Then spin it once and use your right hand to insert it back normally. R, U, R prime, U prime. And it's inside. Now the last corner, insert it, move it away, L, and it's inserted. Now a special case which can come is like this. When you see a edge which is already inside but you just need to flip it. For doing this, we need to do the same thing twice. First, let's start with the R. R, U, R prime, U prime. Then use your left hand and insert it again. L, U prime, L prime, U prime, L, U. And now you have it in the top layer. So now align it again. And then move it away. R, U, R prime, U prime, L prime, U prime, L, U. And then we're done with the second layer. The third layer. For the third layer, we can have many different permutations. Now, the top layer can have different cases. One is this center. The other is an L. Then there is the line, or you can have the cross. If you already have the yellow cross ready, then you're in luck and you can skip this step. But if you don't, then here is the series of moves we have to follow. Starting with the dot. For the dot, we have to do a few basic steps to you to memorize this formula. Face the dot towards the top, then F, R, U, R prime, U prime, F prime. Then you'll get the L. From the L, repeat the same step again. F, R, U, R prime, U prime and F prime. Then you'll get the line. Now this is a vertical line. So we spin our cube once so that we get it in the horizontal way. Then we repeat. Like this. So if we have the L, we can start from the L directly. If you already have the L, then start from the L and repeat the same steps. Remember to face one yellow side towards yourself and one yellow side towards your right. So now if you have the L, do the same thing. F, R, U, R prime, U prime and F prime. And then you'll get the horizontal line and do the same thing again, and then you'll have the cross. For the line, if you have it, then do the step once and you have the cross. The next step in the third layer is to align the yellow edges correctly. So now we spin our cube top layer until we find one piece that is aligned, only one edge. So now I spun this and I see that the yellow and the orange is aligned and all the others are disaligned. Now with this basic set of moves, I can align all of these edges in the right direction, which goes like this. Face the flushed edge towards you and do R, U, R prime, U, R, 2U, that means you do twice U, and then R prime. Now you'll get all of these matched and you won't have any issues. You might have to repeat these steps 2 or 3 times if it does not align. Next, we need to get all the corners in its right spot. Now I can see that this corner is already in its right spot and I only need to flip this once and it's in the right spot while all the others are not in the right spot. So now again, we have to memorize this formula to get all these corners in its right place, which goes like U, R, U prime, L prime, U, R prime, U prime, and L. Now we can see that all of these have become aligned without any problem, and these two just need to flip over once. Now we face the yellow side towards us, and then we repeat few steps again and again. So for this, we face the yellow towards us. We do U, R prime, U prime, R. U, R prime, U prime, R. Now we have this yellow in the right side. Don't worry about what is happening behind you. It will get solved eventually. Now we take the next side, spin it once so that we can get it towards the right corner. Then we do it again. U, R prime, U, R, U, R prime, U, R, U, R prime, U, R, U, R prime, U, R. And now we're done. See, this got aligned on its own. Then we can align the edges and we're done with solving the cube. Hope you enjoyed the video. Do let me know in the comments how your experience with the cube was. Like, share and subscribe. Goodbye.